Previously on The Life of JT.
40 on Golden Century, quick, boom. Then I take out 40 more out of the ATM. Put 20 in Buffalo, lose that quick. Put the second 20, lose that quick. So down 80 bucks here. What is up, JT Squad? It is Sunday, May 28th, 5:08 in the morning. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what are you doing up so early on your day off? We're actually going to do the laundry today because we got a lot of stuff going on in the next couple weeks. So we're going to get the laundry done today. And I might work tomorrow if they have shifts available because it's a holiday. You get holiday pay and double time. So if I work 5 hours, I can make like $300 and some in one day. So I definitely need the money. Work was stressful. Got into some issues with the management and everything like that, but we got it all resolved. Everything's going to be fine with that situation. I'm closing in on my 2 years at Amazon. So you get a big raise when you hit 2 years. So we're just trying to make it to that point. The business, we got our second client lead. So that's super, super promising on that. It's not going to be that exciting of a weekend. It is Memorial Day weekend. We have family coming in next weekend. So we're not going to go crazy this weekend. But we're going to go do our usual $5 free play, a few sports bets. Let's go.
What do you want? You want treaties? Why? Why do you want treaties so much? Huh? Tell me, why do you want treaties so much?
Are you ready for The Life of JT? Because I live in Vegas and I'm not going nowhere.
Alright, so we just got out of the laundromat. We never do laundry on Sundays, but I kind of want to work like 5 hours tomorrow if they offer it. So far they haven't offered any voluntary extra time, so I wanted to get the laundry done. It's a complete zoo in that place. It opens at 6, and by 6:05 all the dryers, washers, everything's full. So that's why I don't like coming here. And we're gonna have to come here again next Sunday because we got some relatives coming in, and I won't tell you the surprise yet, but we got some special family members coming into town next weekend. So that's going to be very exciting. We're going to do a lot of fun stuff when they come. But right now we're going to head to Rampart Casino. It's almost 7 right now. $5 free play, 3 $5 baseball sports bets. Alright, on the last spin, I ended up winning $4.60 or 75 cents or something like that. So I ended up playing it down. Didn't hit anything after that. Tried to hit like a bonus or something like that, and that was the end of that. Did my 3 $5 sports bets. That's going to be the limit for this weekend. We got a lot of stuff coming up in the next week or so, so we got to save all our money for that situation. But prayers we hit one of these sports bets. We got 3 separate tickets. We can hit 3 tickets. They're not really that big. One's like 100, one's like 140, and I think one's like 200. So we'll see. Time for a nap. I woke up at 4:30 this morning to do laundry. Luckily I got it done, but I was actually going to pick up a shift tomorrow, and I haven't heard anything about voluntary extra time. Usually you hear it the day before, so I wanted to pick up like 5 hours, but I'm going to take a little nap right now. Then sports betting, I got 3 tickets. First game starts at like 10:35 and then goes up to like 4 o'clock. So hopefully we make it that far. I think we're gonna make meatloaf tonight. Unless I hit on a ticket, then we might go somewhere for dinner. But if not, we're gonna make some meatloaf. I bought a bunch of food the other day, so let's take our nap.
1 hour later.
My first 2 sports bets completely got creamed. It was so weird. The White Sox, I had over 7.5. It was like 0-0 in the 8th inning, and it went at extra innings. White Sox won 5-4. But the other games were what screwed me. I was like worried about that when the other ones were hitting. I have one ticket left. It's all underdogs. Diamondbacks have to beat the Dodgers. Dodgers up 3-0, 8th inning. Like, it's not looking good on that ticket either. But it was just $15 worth of bets. Now we're just going to check out some NASCAR. I'm a big Kyle Busch fan. I didn't put money on the race this time. He was only like a 5-1 favorite anyway, so you wouldn't have won much unless you put like $100 on it or something like that. So, but we're gonna check this out, and I'm gonna make some meatloaf for dinner. Homemade meatloaf. Leave in the comments if you guys like meatloaf. One thing I haven't went over with you guys is every season for all the sports betting I do, I have a board. So right now it's obviously baseball season and NBA season. NBA, I'm not really doing too many bets on that. But it looks like I'm up like $15.55 or something. April was horrible. My first season of baseball betting. So down 185. But May started off hot and then slow. One win May 15th and just a goose egg since then. But we're still up, I think, $50 in May. And last year football season we won like $880 or somewhere around there. So I keep track of this for all the seasons, and then I see how it did. I've been doing real small parlays on baseball. It's really hard to hit on baseball. Football I'm way better at. And NASCAR I haven't been doing well either. That's gonna do it for the vlog. May 29th is in the books. It wasn't really that exciting, the vlog, but we made some good meatloaf, and the NASCAR race got crazy exciting at the end. Kyle Busch almost won the race. That was completely insane. And Hamlin, who started on the pole, ended up winning the race when he was way back there for the longest time in the race. But thank you guys for watching. I hope everybody enjoys the weekly vlogs. They're a little difficult to do, and like I said, sometimes they're just not that fun. I live an everyday life living in Las Vegas. Yeah, I go out. Yeah, I have fun. Yeah, I go to concerts. I eat some good food. I do gamble. But in the long run, I still live a normal life just like everybody else. And I'm working on a business too. I've been running a little bit of a business too on the side and full-time at Amazon. So all that, plus I have a new TikTok channel, Vegas Thrift Store Hunters, and we have our regular TikTok channel, which almost has 1,500 followers on that. We go live on there quite often. But love you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And salute, and we'll see you for the next one.
Next time on The Life of JT.
Guess what? They gave my aunt and uncle an extra bag. So, you know how we do it. We're going to hook some homeless person up, or a couple of them, with some good, hot, fresh White Castle.